Answer on this one should have been 90. Alright, answer is 29. Answer is 43. 55, last one. The answer should be 68. The winning number is 9. Homework check. Homework answers. Bring up 1 and 2. Three and 4.
Yes, I guess.
Any questions about the homework? Papers to pass out, that would be no. Our objective today is to solve matrix equations. The specific learning target is to solve for an entire matrix. So example problem number 1. uh, 3276 plus the unknown matrix A equals negative 1, 2, 3, 6. So individually you would have to go through and figure out this plus what number would give me a negative 1. And that would be a negative 4. And then this plus what number would give me this? That would be 0. This number plus a number gives me 3. That would be negative 4. And then this number plus something would give me this number. That would be 0. And that is your final answer. The work that you would have to show for this would be 3 plus A equals negative 1, and then solve it for A. And you still use A again for 2 plus A equals 2, and then 7 plus A equals 3, and 6 plus A equals 6. A would have a different value each time. Example number 2. What is the value of row 1, cell 1 in the answer? Four plus a number is negative 1. What would it be? Negative 5. Row 1, cell 2, or row 1, column 2. Negative 1 plus a number is 0. What's the answer? 1. 0 plus a number is negative 2. What's the answer? And 2 plus a number is 6. 4. Practice problem number 1. Solution on the practice problem should be negative 1, 1, 7, negative 1. The bonus problem goes to the first 10 people. Answer is 100. Bonus problem, it goes to the first 10. Answer on this is 10. Practice problem number 2 looks a little different. On the practice problem, you should have 2 And then for the next cell over, that's going to be negative 2. And then down at the bottom, first cell, row 2, you should have 1. Rule number 8.
What?
That's encroachment. 5-yard penalty.
How's that cheating?
Across the line of scrimmage. And then the last one down here is going to be what, 11? Negative 11? No.
It's 11.
11, yeah. Bonus problem to the first 10. Answer is 16. The next bonus problem to the first 10. 64 is the answer. Example problem number 3. Subtraction now. So you're going to have 3 minus a equals a negative 1. You're more likely to make mistakes on these. So negative 1 minus 3. It's a negative 4, but it ends up being a positive 4. So over here you would insert 4. Pay attention to the fact that you're going to have to change the sign on some of these. So on row 1, column 2 on the answer matrix, negative 2 minus a equals 2. So that would really be a negative 4. And then row 2, column 1, 6 minus a equals 6. That's a 0. And then you'll have 0 minus a equals a negative 3. That should be a positive 3. You have to show work on your homework anyway, but when you're working these out for practice or a test, it would help if you work them all out. Otherwise, if you miss one number, then the whole thing's wrong. And then example number 4 is you're in a different position now. So you have a minus 9, or actually minus a negative 9, equals 4. So it's really a plus 9. And then when you move it to the right, it becomes minus 9. Your answer should be negative 5. So we'll put a negative 5 here. Then you'll have a minus a negative 1 equals negative 2. So that's really a negative 3. A minus a negative 1, negative 3 minus a negative 1 would be a negative 2. So that works out. And then a minus 2 equals 6. That would be 8. And a minus 3 is 10. That would be 13. The solution on this. Negative 2 minus a is a positive 1. So that would end up being a negative 3. And then 1 minus a number is 2. So that would be a negative 1. 5 minus a number is 3, so that's 2. And 4 minus a number is 7, so that's a negative 3. We'll go over the homework assignment tomorrow before the test, and then you'll take the test.